What's up, everybody? It's fucking Friday here at UFC headquarters. Happy New Year, everybody. And we're gonna be trying the New Year's pancake. Pour pancake batter into a pan, add cheese, bacon, hash browns, and fried eggs, and more batter. Cover it to finish cooking. This is like a monster breakfast sandwich. It's hot as hell. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. There isn't one fucking thing that I like about this. I don't know how you can have 5 really good things and it all tastes bad when it's mixed together. That's one of the grossest things I've eaten in a minute. The New Year's pancake. Happy New Year, everyone.